On my feet, grab a leaf on my lungs. Drip them bright, but we dark and we don't.
Go to the junction. Say the media not only one gun song, but can just.
Yeah, what style, man? For your device, I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the bodies review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Yeah, this was hungry days. On the market truck, me just a.
Viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you take your time out and go give this artist a listening ears when I go make on ear right now. It goes by the name OG Max and he drop a song 1 month ago titled Chance. You see me? I want to know guys to go listen it and go make him know say me sending him over there. Fully.
Fraser, I so quick it run. Ship it. When me tell you to
Viewers and subscribers, this song titled Ketch Bongs. I mean I say artist goes by the name Rion Venicci. You see me? And the song I dropped 1 day ago, viewers and subscribers. Me I tell you say artist is a different stylist from every song we have on in Vivo, viewers and subscribers. So I want to know guys to take the time out and go over Rion Venicci Vivo and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. And me I say Ketch Bongs. Na. What class artist? And me I say, yo, me I tell a artist, me I tell her say anyway this play in a dance hall right now, me I tell her say it place I go jump, me I tell you. Yes man. So go and do it in a artist, you don't know. Big up the people them you know work with the same way you know. See pre big up the producer said we big up the videographer who edited music video. You don't know a thing, man. You don't know say you do the masterwork, you know, artist. So me I say big up yourself. And me I say viewers and subscribers, hear piece more song. Come back, lad.
Ketchy Bunks. Gucci on my feet, grab a leaf on.
Ketchy Bones, Gucci for me feet, grab a leaf for me lungs. Yo, I mean I say yes, artist, that is it, you know, style and pattern. You don't know the thing, man. Music we love, you know, and music you are doing, artist. That is it, you know, man. I mean I say big up the whole of the camp, you know, man. You see me? Yeah, man, so you love the music, yeah, the music, yeah, the music, yeah, hot. You love that song, yeah, hot, man. You see me? When you touch the road, me I tell you say, yeah man, people are go bounce to it, man. No fool and business, man. You can't listen to this song and no rock. And no game. I mean I say artists, go and do the right thing. I mean I say viewers and subscribers, I want to know guys to go over Rion Venicci official. You see me? And go listen out him catalog a song them because him deserve one of you listen him song them because the man a whole heap of song over there. You see me? And he's an artist we are putting in the work you want to get the breakout. You see me? And that you want right now. You see me? So help push the artist out there by sharing up in music video said way. You see, pray, subscribe, like, comment. You don't know and do the said thing to Soji TV Entertainment. And remember to go by artist Vivo, you know, and make him know say me sending over there. You see it? So I want to know all if you have a productive day now. You see me? And go and go support Rion Venicci music. You see me free now. Soji appreciate you all. Madam mean up.
Down to the ground, watch a pretty little dolly with the funny tongue. Chilean.